They're lying to you. They would have you believe that simply calling your ex and telling her that you will change ensures that you and your ex get back together and make everything happy again. Here's a fact. People have got it all wrong. Let me reveal the truth to you. You actually need to give your ex that space that they want rather than calling them up and texting them 24/7. All this does is gives them a bad vibe that you're a stalker and just reassures them that the decision to break up with you was the right one. Now that's not what you want, and your intentions are not that at all. Not only can you dampen your chances of getting back with your ex, but you can actually push them away for good by not giving them the space that they're asking for. Consequently, you're eliminating all possible chances of getting back with your ex. You have to stop thinking with your heart and start thinking with your head for the time being. Otherwise, you will make the split-second decisions that could blow up in your face. Basically, what you need to do is accept the breakup and respect your ex's wishes and feelings. Do not use guilt tricks or manipulation tactics. You're too good for that. Give yourself space to understand what went wrong and why. It is very important that you do not try to convince your ex that you miraculously can change things overnight. It is very crucial that at first you show your ex that you can live without them by smiling and having a positive outlook on life. After a bit of time, you can show your ex that you want to get back with them with a little secret technique that has worked for 99.9% of breakups. Now you can go ahead and take this tip on board and in a few days enjoy a warm feeling as your ex engages and interacts back with you in an I want you back manner. But did you know that there is a way to use this very tip at an even more advanced level? Yes, you can actually not only speed up the effect this has on getting your ex back, but you can do so with an almost 100% success rate. All this is covered up in the website below this video.
Go ahead and click the link below this video right there, and I'll see you on the other side.